Test, test. It's not recording.
R y doble R. Ok, bienvenidos a otra clase de español. Vamos a hacer un aplausito en 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Today we're going to learn the same consonants, R y doble R. These are both different. R y doble R en español son completamente diferentes. They're different than your English R's. You're going to have to practice. Single R, if you think about an R, think about your R. Say Robert with me. Ready? Robert. Now let's just do the R in Robert. Ready? Robert. Robert. Notice the position of your tongue. Where is it?
In the back.
Back. It's almost stopping the esophagus, right? It's choking. Spanish, the R comes forward. So you bring your tongue forward, same sound. Caro. It's not Robert. It's caro. Softer. Smoother. Not Everybody? Caro. Caro. Double R. It's a rolling R sound. Rico. Everybody? Rico. What is it?
Rico.
Everybody?
Rico.
Now they say some people can't roll their tongues. Some can, some can't. That's a lies. Don't believe them, Stevens. That's a lies. If it wasn't, then millions of people, millions of children being born in Mexico, Guatemala, Spain could not roll their R's. This takes a little practice. Just practice with your tongue, you'll get the R. Ready? Ramon. Rico. Double R rolled, single R tongue forward. Ready? Rico. Caro. Rico. Caro. There you go.
Yahoo!